dear students, myself Shivlila Vibhute welcome you to Nagesh Karasdi Orchid School. Students, today I am going to teach you grammar term 2 chapters. Okay, so shall we start with the lesson? Lesson number 16, doing words. So children, what are doing words? Doing words are also called action words. What are they called? Action words. Now, a word that tells us what a person, animal or thing does is called doing words. Okay? So doing words are called action words. Some action done by a person or animal or thing. Okay? Now what am I doing? Tell me children, I am teaching. Right? So teach is an action word, is a doing word. And what are you all doing? Yes, you all are listening. Right? So listen. This is also an action or doing word. You know one thing, action words are also called verbs. That will come to study in later on grades. Okay, later on lessons. Now teach, listen, write, play, all these words which show some actions are called doing words or action words. Right? I'll give an example to you. Raj plays at home. Okay? Now here, Raj, what action is doing at home? Yes, he plays at home. Right? Sia writes letter. Here, writes letter, you can tell it as action word, right? So children, now action words and doing words. I hope you have understood the meaning of action words and doing words. Now I request you to take out your grammar textbook. We'll start with our exercises. Okay children? Ready children with your textbooks? Yes. Lesson number 16, doing words. Now read these sentences. Father drives the car. The first sentence is, Father drives the car. Now here tell me what action is done by father? Yes, he drives the car. So drives is an action word or is a doing word, right? Now second sentence, Raj plays in the park. Raj plays in the park. Now plays. Plays is also a doing or an action word. Okay? Now in these sentences, drives and plays. Which words? This drives and plays. Tell us that what father and Raj do. Am I right? Drives and plays. These words tell us that what father? Yes, father drives the car and Raj plays in the park. A word that tells us what a person, animal or thing does is called a doing word. Now this is the definition of this doing word. Okay? A word that tells us what a person, animal or things does is called a doing word. Now shall we start with the exercise children? Okay. Now here you have to pick the correct doing words from the box and fill in these blanks. Okay? The first sentence, the fisherman dashed the boat. Yes, children, you can try yourself also. The fisherman dashed the boat. See, for the help, you can see the pictures given aside. Now see that fisherman, what is he doing here? You can think over the action and you have to search those actions from these boxes and you have to write in this column, in this fill in the blanks, right? So the fisherman dashed the boat. What do you think that fisherman is doing? What is that action called children? Yes, rows. right? So the fisherman rows the boat. The teacher dashed the children. Very easy. What am I doing now? Yes, I am teaching you, right? So the teacher, you can see the actions also here, what the pictures given here. The teacher teaches the children. You have to copy the right spelling in the right box. Okay, children? So the teacher teaches the children. Now, a lion dashed in a cave. You can see this picture. Where is that lion sitting in front of what? Where does that lion live? Yes, that lion, a lion lives in a cave. Okay, where do you all live? Yes, we all live in Solapur, right? So the lion lives in a cave. I dash a raincoat when it rains. What do you do when it rains? Search from here. Eat, wear, teaches, rows, leaves, or make. Now I, yes, the action is wear. You wear, no children, when rain comes, then you wear a raincoat when it rains, right? Yes. Now bees dash beehives. You can see the picture. What are they doing? Yes, the bees are, see, search the word from this box. Eat, wear, teaches, rows, lives, or make. Yes, bees make. Bees make beehives. Now the last one. Cows dash grass. The sixth one is cows dash grass. Now the action is given here. A picture is given here. Cow. What is that cow doing? What is that cow doing? Yes. It is eating grass. So you have to write here cows eat grass. Am I right? So one more time I'll revise you these all sentences. The first one, the fisherman rows the boat. If you are confused, you can tick the words which have come. Am I right? Now, the teacher teaches the children. So this is over. A lion lives in a cage. I wear a raincoat when it rains. Bees make beehives. Cows eat grass. Okay, children? So we'll go to the next page. Pilots dash planes. Now you can see in the box two words are given, catch and fly. Okay? So you have to search the right word from that box and try to fill in the blanks. Pilots dash planes. What do pilots do? What do pilots do? What is he doing? See that picture given. What is he doing? Yes, he is flying the plane. So, fly planes. Policemen dash thieves. Now, what is this policeman doing? See your actions. Who are these? They are thieves. So, policeman catch thieves. Okay? Now, the next exercise is underline the doing words in the sentences given below. So now we have to underline the doing words in the sentence which are given below here. Okay? Are you all ready with it? Shall we start? The first one is, the baby cries when it is hungry. See, the baby cries when it is hungry. What action is done by this baby? You can see, you can refer the action, you can refer this picture, you can tell me that what action is that baby doing. Yes, the baby cries. You have to underline cries. All of you will underline cries. Okay? Now the second one. The zebra eats grass and plants. The zebra eats grass and plants. Now this is a zebra, the picture of a zebra. What is it eating? It's eating grass and plants. Some action it's doing? Yes, that action is called eats. All of you will underline eats. Okay, ready? Now the third one. A potter makes clay pots. Do you all know potter? Yes, those who make the pots, right? So a potter makes clay pots. See here the picture of that potter. What is he doing? He is making pots. So this makes is a action or a doing word. He closes the door quickly. See what is this boy doing? Yes, what he does? He closes the door quietly. Okay, he closes the door quietly. Without making any noise, he is closing the door. Which action he is doing is closes. Closes is doing word. He is doing something. The boys play football. See the boys. See the picture here. What are they doing? They are playing football. What action they are doing? Yes, they are playing. So play is a doing word here. I drink milk every morning. See the picture of that boy. What he does every day? He drinks milk every day. Which action he is doing? Drink. I drink. So drink here is a doing word. I eat eggs for breakfast. He is having his breakfast. Which action he is doing? Yes, he is eating. Eating action. So eat here is a doing word. Okay? So again, one more time I am going to revise the same. You just check your textbooks. Okay? Underline the doing words in the sentences given below. The first sentence is, the baby cries when it is hungry. The baby cries when it is hungry. Here, cries is a doing word. Second, the zebra eats grass and plants. In second sentence, eats is a doing word. Third one, a potter makes clay pots. Here, makes is a doing word. The fourth sentence is, he closes the door quietly. Closes is a doing word. Now, fifth sentence, the boys play football. You have to underline play here because it's a doing word. Sixth one, I drink milk every morning. Now, drink. Here, drink is an action word or a doing word. So, we have to underline drink here. I eat eggs for breakfast. So, what action I am doing? Eating. Yes, eat is a action word or a doing word. You have to underline eat here. Ready, children? Shall we go to the next page? All of you complete it fast? Yes. Now turn the page and go to the next page. Just see, children, I am going to show you some actions or some pictures on the board. Just to see. See, Mona is a bright girl. Now she is Mona. We are going to speak about this Mona. The exercise is, look at the pictures given below and circle the doing words in the passage. Now a passage will be given to you. You have to look at these pictures given above in your textbook and you have to circle the doing words in this passage. Okay? So you have to only find out the doing or action words done by this Mona or her parents and you have to circle those words. Okay, children? So first you listen to the passage carefully. Now we are going to circle it afterwards. First listen to the passage, what I am going to show you, and see at the pictures, what I am going to show you. Now see, Mona, she is a bright girl. She comes back from school in the afternoon. Now she comes back, this is a school, she comes back from the school in the afternoon. She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. You can search the picture where she is reading books and where she plays, see here, she plays toys, okay, and she reads book here. Okay, children? She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. On some days, she plays the guitar. On some days, she plays a guitar. You can search for the picture as I am reading the sentences. She plays with the guitar here. And or goes for a swim. Or she goes for a swim. Now swimming, the picture is shown here. Okay? She also writes stories. See, she is fond of writing stories. She also writes stories here. She keeps all things in her place. Yes, she keeps all her things in place. Okay, this is shown in the picture here. She loves her family. Yes, she loves her family. Her family is shown here in this picture. Father and mother also read books with her. Yes, they also read books with her, with Mona. They listen to the guitar when she plays it. When Mona plays the guitar, they also listen to the guitar. Just you read the passage and then you tell me the words. Mother and father also love Mona. So mother and father also love Mona. They are the mother and father. They also love Mona. So children, now again one more time I'll tell you the passage properly. Yes. Mona is a bright girl. She comes back from school in the afternoon. She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. These are some of the actions or doing words done by Mona. So just read these sentences carefully and then you have to tell me the action and doing words from these sentences. Okay? On some days, she plays the guitar or goes for a swim. She also writes stories. She keeps all her things in place. She loves her family. Father and mother also read books with her. They listen to the guitar when she plays it. Mother and father also love Mona. So now what we have to do, we have to look at these pictures given below and circle the doing words in the passage. So after reading each sentence, you all have to tell me or you have to keep in mind that which action is done by her. Okay? So shall we start now? Mona is a bright girl. Any action is there? Any doing word is there? So in this sentence, you think over it. Mona is a bright girl. Any action is done? Any doing word is there? No. So this sentence has no doing or action word. Okay? She comes back from school in the afternoon. Now here, just guess that she comes back from the school in the afternoon. Some action is done by her. Yes, some doing word is here. One of the doing word is here. Yes, all of you are right. Comes. She comes back from school in the afternoon. So you have to circle the word comes. Here the word comes is a doing or an action word. This is done by whom? Mona. She comes back from school in the afternoon. So all of you have done it? Have you circled that word comes? Okay. She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. Now children, just you read this sentence and you can tell your parents, or you can keep in mind that which can be an action word or doing word. She plays with her toys. She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. Now here, plays is an action word or a doing word, right? So you have to circle plays. She is playing, she is doing some action, she is doing some work there. So it is plays. She plays with her toys and something else action or work she is doing. Doing what she is doing. What? Reads. She is doing that action also. As you all are reading now the passage, right? So she is reading. She reads books in her free time. You have to circle reads. So in this sentence, we have got two doing words. She plays with her toys. Here, plays is a doing word. And reads books in her free time. Reads, she reads the book. So reads is also a doing word. You have to circle both these. On some days, she plays the guitar. Now see, on some days, she plays the guitar. Some action is done. What? Plays the guitar. So plays again here. It's a doing word. You have to circle this place word. Have you done, children? Okay. Or goes for a swim. Or she goes for a swim. Now here, goes is a doing word, right? She goes for a swim, na? To go for swimming, she goes for swimming also. So she goes for a swim. She also writes stories. See, children, here, even swim. Swim also can be called as an action. And she's swimming there, as we say, playing, swimming. So this swim also you have to circle it. Okay? Yes, children. She also writes stories. Now see, some work she is doing, some action she is doing. She also writes stories. So here writes. You have to circle the writes word. She also writes stories. So writes is another word that you have to circle. It's a doing word. She keeps all her things in place. You keep your things in place, na, children? You are doing some work, na? To keeps here is a doing word. Okay, children? Have you done? Have you circled these words? She keeps all her things in the place. So keeps you have to circle, as it is a doing word. She loves her family. Loves is also a doing word, right? You love your family, na? Loves. You have to circle the word loves. Okay, children? Father and mother also read books with her. Father and mother also read books with her. Now some action is done by father and mother also. What they do? They read. They read the books with her. So read is again a doing word. You have to circle that word. They listen to the guitar when she plays it. Now children, read this sentence properly. They listen to the guitar. They are doing some work. So listen. Now you are listening me, na? So it's a doing work. It's an action word. So listen is an action word or doing word. They listen to the guitar when she plays it. Here plays. Plays is also an doing or an action word. You have to circle this also. Now mother and father also love Mona. Love. Love is also an action or a doing word. So you have to circle love also. So all of you, just you go through once again. I am going to read out. Mona is a bright girl. She comes back from school in the afternoon. Here comes is a doing word. You have to circle it. She plays with her toys and reads books in her free time. Plays and reads. You have to circle both these words. as they are doing words. On some days, she plays the guitar or goes for a swim. Now, plays, goes, swim, all are action words. She also writes stories. Writes is also an action word. She keeps all her things in place. Keeps again is a doing word. She loves her family. You have to circle loves. Father and mother also read books with her. So read is an action word. You have to circle it, doing word. They listen to the guitar when she plays it. Listen and plays. These both are doing words. You have to circle both this. Mother and father also love Mona. Love is that doing word. You have to circle it. Children, I think so you are ready with it now. Exercise is complete. Now I am going to play an audio for you. Just you see it.
Doing words. Read these sentences. Father.
Yes, see. Father drives the car. The action is shown here. Just you read these sentences and see the actions done. Okay? You have to read this above sentences and then you have to see the actions done here. The pictures are, the video is showing you the pictures. Okay. Father drives the car. What action is done by father? Raj plays in the park. See, the boy is playing, Raj is playing in the park.
In these sentences, rhymes and plays. Tell us what Father and Raj do. A word that tells us what a person, animal, or thing does is called a doing word.
A word that tells us what a person, animal or thing does is called a doing word. Okay, children? Okay, children. So, did you understand the lesson? I hope you understood the lesson. I hope you understood the lesson, children. You have to go through the lesson again and you have to read that passages again, read the sentences again at home and revise for the same. Thank you.